Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm back at Mike's Drive-In, and this is his smaller restaurant here on Harrison in Milwaukee. And I'm back here today because I got a call from Todd, the owner, and it's been a couple weeks. I finally got back, but right after I painted the window, this one side of the store got hit really hard. It just pelted it, so it didn't have. It was dry, but it didn't have a chance to completely dry. And when it's like that and then the rain comes and pelts it, this is what happens. So the other side here is fine though, as you can see. But anyway, I'm back here, finally got back, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off and just repaint the whole thing. And I don't charge for it, it's just part of the service. I wanted to talk about something here. See these marks here in the window, these scratches? These guys usually they wash their own windows. So I don't know what they're using, but I've been talking to them for years and years and years, telling them to be careful when they wash these, because they're scratching them. And I think they're using the thing for the grill that they use on their grill to scrape the grease and everything off. And it's just too rough, so it scratched them up. It's really a shame too, because the owner had all the windows replaced. This is all brand new about a year and a half ago, and they just went ahead and damaged the windows. So I'm not sure how they scratched them or what they're doing, but it's a shame. I had somebody recently sent me an email with that same problem that she had with the windows, that they were being scratched up. And I'm thinking maybe they were scratched before she got there, because she showed me the razor she used and it was similar to this. So I don't know. They're scratched over here a little too, like right here. Okay, I'm all finished up here at Mike's. I got it all fixed up, and I'm heading out. See you next time.